Think, how often do you use artificial intelligence, AI, every day? It's already integrated into our lives, but can still do so much more, not least tackling some of our biggest challenges, from climate change to healthcare. How do we harness its full positive potential? Across Europe, brilliant minds have been actively developing cutting-edge AI solutions, driving innovation and progress through dynamic collaboration. That's where the European Networks of Excellence Centres, NoEs, come in. Funded by the EU, they unite Europe's top researchers to push the boundaries in AI, data and robotics. Discover the NoEs that are shaping the future of AI. Currently, there are 9 focused NoEs, united in a common goal: to develop trustworthy European AI, which is reliable, secure and beneficial for everyone. Let us introduce several of them. AI for Media brings together leading AI researchers, media professionals, legal experts and social scientists to advance next-generation media AI technologies towards ethical and trustworthy AI.
We focus on a specific sector and specific domain, the media domain, and I think it is an important and interesting one because it has a very important societal impact, because media refers to multimodal content, and this differentiates our project compared to the recent developments which were mostly related to text. One important aspect, I think, is that we take a holistic approach. So, of course, we have research and development activities, developing new technologies, but we try very much to integrate this together with industrial partners, media companies, in realistic use cases, resulting to prototypes, trying to show the actual benefits and application of AI technologies.
The work that we're doing in AI for Media's use cases that involves a strong collaboration between research and industry partners towards enhancing the explainability of AI models, something that is very important for the industry, and it's not missing, but we need to work a lot to make the AI technologies really understandable to end users in order to increase user adoption and trust into the AI tools.
ELISE is a network of research hubs and associated fellows, which uses the highest level of research to spread its knowledge and methods in academia, industry and society.
One of the most important actions Europe can take is to foster the next generation of European talent in AI. The PhD and postdoc program of the ELISE network has been able to recruit already about 400 impressively promising researchers. All join the labs of 2 co-supervisors at different research institutions or companies.
Right, so ELISE's vision is of a powerhouse of European AI, driven by research in machine learning to produce technical systems that are sophisticated, that are safe and effective in deployment, and that are aligned with social values. We do that through our 14 research programs and through a collection of activities in knowledge translation, education, and innovation.
Humane AI Net is an interdisciplinary community combining AI, human-computer interaction, law and neuroscience to develop new techniques for human-AI collaboration and enhancing human capabilities, thus empowering both individuals and society.
So, our project is about building AI that does not try to imitate or replace humans, but wants to help humans achieve more, wants to enhance human capabilities. I believe a community that AI made in Europe and made for Europeans needs to engage. So we came up with our concept of micro-project when we try to bring partners together in small, agile, very concentrated efforts based on concentrated on papers, on data sets, which very often leverage a lot of own funding that the partners have to be able to take this very little money in terms of what everybody was getting for the size, and still do not just networking, but actually high-quality research.
This really gave me a tremendous opportunity to get to know what's happening with the AI scene in Europe in such a short period. I think I've been in the project for 4 or 5 months, and now I know the majority of the key players in the EU.
The TAILOR network develops the scientific foundations for trustworthy AI, combining learning, optimization, and reasoning with the key concepts of trustworthy AI.
So the overarching vision of TAILOR is really to develop the scientific foundations for trustworthy AI. And we also believe that in order to do this, we need to integrate techniques coming from learning, optimization, and reasoning. And of course, we want to do this in order to help realize the European vision of human-centered, trustworthy AI.
But particular, I think what we're most proud of are these scene development workshops. We're bringing together industry and research to see what are the pressing needs of the European industry. How could we actually address them from the research side?
The Vision project brings these networks together to facilitate the joint efforts of these NoEs and to create a world-class AI ecosystem made in Europe.
So the European AI ecosystem looks like it's a little fragmented, and in fact it is. And it's therefore even more important that we have some glue that holds it all together. And this is where the Vision project comes in. We have these wonderful NoEs, now 6, soon even more. And there is a need and a benefit in doing things across the boundaries of these different networks of centers of excellence, the different areas of AI that they represent, to bring them together, to make them think about what they could do jointly that goes beyond the things that they can do individually.
All of these projects have come together to develop a joint initiative under the leadership of AI4Media and Vision to establish the International AI Doctoral Academy, known as AIDA, and offer access to a world-class AI education and research program that attracts PhD talents from across Europe. As a result, NoEs collaborate to unite leading researchers from across Europe. These networks bridge the gap between research and industry, ensuring innovations reach the real world and benefit society.